Hi everybody, my name is Scott Walls. I'm the Oracle Cloud Source to Settle and OBN expert here at Panameer. For over 25 years, I've deployed Oracle applications for some of the world's largest organizations. You're watching a functional area overview video. In this video, I provide an overview of Oracle Cloud's product management functional area. This functional area is part of the SCM, Supply Chain and Manufacturing Pillar. Click the link above to watch a quick video explaining Oracle Cloud's SCM Pillar. Okay, I'm going to use the following 5 slides to explain this topic. What is product management? Definitional versus transactional items, the product management workflow, the product information management application, and then lastly, the product management process. But best of all, I'm going to do this in less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. Slide 1. What is a product, or what is product management? The term product refers to a transactional good or service item for use within Oracle Cloud's supply chain and/or procurement applications. In Oracle Cloud, product management refers to the functional area whose applications define items. So think specs, relationships, item categories, purchasing categories, and more. Slide 2, definitional items versus transactional items. This is very important. Definitional items are created by adding lines on a BPA from within the purchase agreements application that's in procurement. These types of items are used more heavily within the finance or procurement applications or self-service procurement. Transactional items are created by creating an item within the Product Information Management or PIM application, which is under product management. These types of items are used more heavily within the supply chain applications. This video focuses on transactional or PIM items. Slide 3, the product management workflow. This diagram gives us a quick listing of the steps and sequence of the product management functional area. Slide 4, product information management or the PIM application. This application allows the material management group or department to create and manage transactional items. Click the link above to watch a quick video explaining the PIM application. And lastly, slide 5, the product management process. So let's quickly walk through a 6-step product management process. Now, this is going to be a little bit more focused on inventory or the supply chain end of the house, but it'll give you an idea of how this all works together. So step 1, before you do anything, before you get into Oracle Cloud, define the structure. So materials, where they're held, the interaction between those different locations, and the structure internally within any of them. You'll see in a minute what we mean. Step 2, add the inventory organization. This is the highest level of material storage, relates to the business unit, holds the value of inventory. Then within the inventory org, you can define sub-inventories. Then within the sub-inventory, so sub-inventory could be a lane or different spots on the floor of inventory. Now within that sub-inventory, you could have locators. Think row, rack, bin. Those obviously are optional. Then you want to define the items and associate each item with an inventory organization or more than one. Now here's where it all comes together. You add the item specs to the sub-inventories or locators, explaining how to process that sub-inventory item combination. Okay, this is the end of the video presentation, but hopefully it's just the beginning of your Panameer journey. Did you know that there are thousands of free videos just like this one on Panameer.com and hundreds more on Panameer's YouTube channel? In fact, if you're watching this on YouTube, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Remember, better content, better skills, better income, better life. Panameer wants to help you get 1% better every day. Thank you for watching and have a great day.